Good morning, students. Last time I have narrated a very interesting story about a whale who wanted to be small, right? Today we will see the explanation part of this lesson, okay? Do you know the whale is the largest animal in the world? There are many creatures who live in the ocean. So, students, about the sea creatures we have seen in the previous lesson, that is, wonders in the water, right? So, in this lesson, we are going to talk about a whale who wanted to be small. So, let's see. Once upon a time, a baby whale called Kanani lived in the ocean. She wanted to be small like her friend Leela, the clownfish. Hello Kanani, how are you? Hi Leela, I'm fine. It is so nice to see you. So students, in this lesson, there is a baby whale known as Kanani who lived in the ocean with her friends. Kanani wanted to be small like her friend Leela. Leela was a clownfish. Students, what is the meaning of clownfish? Clownfish means a kind of small fish with bright colors like a clown. So students, do her wishes come true in the end? Let's see. Suddenly, they saw their friend Vala the pelican. The whale hunters are coming. You must hide. Quick, quick. Thanks for warning us, Vala. So, students, the pelican means a large bird that lives near water, right? The pelican, known as Vala, rushed towards Kanani and Leela and said to them that some people who kill animals and birds are coming towards them. So, they must hide somewhere. He warned them, right? So, Kanani showed gratitude to Vala and quickly went from there. So, students, what is the meaning of gratitude? Gratitude means to be thankful. Okay? So, Kanani tried to hide somewhere, but because of her large size, she can't. So, she said to Leela, what shall I do? Where can I hide? Is there any big place where I can hide too? So, Leela replied to Kanani that I have an idea. Follow me into my cave. Nobody will find you there. So, Leela swam into her deep and dark cave, right? Kanani pushed and pushed, but only the tip of her tail could go into the cave. So, Kanani was stuck. Students, first Leela entered into her cave and then Kanani went after Leela. But Kanani was stuck, means she fixed to cave and was not able to move. So she pushed herself into the cave, but only tip of her tail could go into the cave. Understood? Kanani began to cry. Oh no, I am so big. I can be seen from far away. How I wish I was small. Just then, Cain, a big grandfather whale, swam up to Kanani. So, students, Kanani was feeling very sad because of her size she could not hide. So she started crying. In just few minutes, a big grandfather whale known as Cain reached towards Kanani and said, "Don't cry, Kanani. People stopped hunting whales a long time ago. They now come in boats to watch us play in the ocean. They tell stories about us, the biggest creatures in the world. Look there. See, those people love us." So, students, Grandfather Cain explained to Kanani that now the people have stopped to kill the animals. They loved them, they tell stories about them as the biggest creature in the world. Kanani was very happy to hear this. "Thank you, Grandfather Cain. You have shown me how wonderful it is to be big. I don't want to be small anymore. Now, I want to be the biggest whale in the world." So, students, whatever Grandfather Cain explained to Kanani, after that, she was so happy because she realized that now people have stopped hunting them. People come in boats to watch them. So, there is no need to hide. Now, she wanted to be the biggest whale in the world. And Kanani showed gratitude towards her grandfather. Gratitude means what? Gratitude means to be thankful. To be thankful. Right? So, Kanani showed gratitude towards her grandfather because he had shown to Kanani that how wonderful it is to be big. Right? So, students, I hope you have understood the lesson and enjoyed it. So, keep learning. Bye bye. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.